In this video, I'm gonna show you my favorite candlestick chart pattern that has kept me successful in my day trading journey. You're welcome back to my channel. I remain Kingsley and this is lionkingforexacademy, where we raise disciplined traders. I'm gonna show you the pattern, the candlestick pattern I use in order for you to know how to understand, dictate, trend or chart direction in order for you to become successful in your forex journey. So let's dive into the video so I can show you. Let's go. So one of my favorite candlestick pattern is the engulfing candle. The engulfing candle is one of the strongest candlestick chart pattern I use that have kept me successful, which can be used to detect trend direction. What is an engulfing candlestick? An engulfing candlestick, it involves two medium candlesticks that is built, whereby the last one that is built in an opposite color and it's bigger than the previous candle that was built. It's bigger in size, both up and down. What is a bullish engulfing candlestick? A bullish engulfing candlestick, it's a candlestick whereby it opens lower than the close of the previous candle, while it closes above the opening price of the previous candle, making it bigger in both sizes than the previous candle that was built. So let's dive into, let me show you some examples about it.
This is just an example I'm trying to show you before I can show you a live trade I took. Then remember, the first thing you do is you're entering at this point. There's a bullish engulfing pattern. You enter at this, you can see it's bigger in size than the previous candle. You don't just enter a bullish candlestick pattern signal. You have to wait for another green candle confirmation, this one, before you enter a buy at this point. Look at other factors like your moving average. You set this to 25, you set this to 50, and you set this to 100. It has to be apart. RSI has to be close to the oversold in a bullish engulfing pattern, you understand? So then you take the trade, and you more of a day trader, just take a short position. You set your stop loss, maybe you can take a profit at this particular point. Remember, your risk reward ratio, especially for beginners trader, is 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. Also show you in a bearish example of a previous candlestick that built. And in my example, I like to be realistic, you understand, not just picking a sweet example and just show you, but sometimes I show you as I try to be real in the market. Now, for example, you can see we are having a signal of an engulfing in a bearish condition. The green built, and we have a long red that builds, you understand, something like this that builds, and you are waiting. Okay, I previously said that you have to wait for another confirmation of a red before you can enter. Then you waited, it has a green. You don't have to enter the trade, or you don't have to be discouraged. Why? Because of, firstly, you can see 80 overbought was touched, and also your moving average, you can see at this point was yellow, green as usual, and white. So we were still on point, you understand? So you shouldn't be scared of taking this trade. And now you waited for red and you took the trade here, and boom, came down, and you take a profit here. That's why I said you don't really need to rely on only the candlestick pattern, you understand? You still have do your trend line, you still have to follow your RSI, you still have to follow your moving averages. All those are confirmation. Then you take a short position, and boom, you've won this trade.
is the momentum candlestick pattern. Momentum candlestick is easier to spot, unlike the engulfing candle, maybe because of its size, or it's because of its size. A momentum candle is a candle that is 2 to 3 times bigger than the previous candle that was built. And this candle is best used in a choppy market. And once it's built, it's assumed, or it's most cases, the trend continues in that direction. So let me show you how it works here.
So when you have like in the choppy market, this is a choppy market example. When you have a choppy market, or like the choppy market, price hits here, comes down, hits here, comes down. There's no headway, there's no direction of price, just going up and down, like consolidation. Price is going up and down like this, and you have this big candlestick that builds here. It's pretty sure that price will continue to move in that direction, since it has broken this resistance level that was hit multiple times. Then you move, boom, you take a position, boom, boom, boom. You can see the price move in that same direction. You take your profit somewhere here also. So as you can see, the same example in the choppy market, you can see how do you know it's a choppy market? Fine, that's when you see your moving average squeezing themselves. That's why you know that you can see a red boom hits here, and you see price continue to move in that direction.
Thank you very much for staying with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Bye.